Hi guys, it's Diamond, and you can see here is a Polygon Pocket here, and envelope pocket in the right, in the front. Sorry, and because it's my second time to make the Polygon Pocket, so in order to finding this perfect scale, you know what? I cut about this much layers just in order to find this full good scale of the layers. Yes, just like this. It's a lot layers here. because because when I start to making this order, and because there is no any knots on the order, so I think maybe just all in the remarks layer. So I feel okay, just only in the same layer, so I just go cut it, and I have run a factory to cutting my layers and cut the layers thinners, because they have many machines layer. Because the cutting machine is very huge, very big, and also very expensive, so I cannot afford, I cannot just get one machine in my studio, because that is big and that is expensive. So I ran a factory for long time, and the distance about 10 miles from my house to the factory, from my studio to the factory. So I usually went to the factory and to cut all the shape and make all the layers thinner, and back to my studio and start to stitching all the stitching and organize all the pocket, all the covers. So while I make this Polygon pocket, totally I went to the factory and back and went and go and back 3 times. Yes, just want to make a good perfect scale on the cover. So you can see I cut a lot layers here just in order to make this beautiful, and because she has given a note to me, she want to make the covers, the pockets that will mix in gray and in blue. So in the first time I didn't see the notes, but when I just feel something wrong, I just go check in my email, and I saw her had sent me an email, said that he want to mix up the colors she want. So you can see here I already cut the envelope here. I already cut in the first time. So now I have to make the color she want to instead the layers. But that's fine. You guys will feel I'm so crazy. I just cut a lot layers like this, but that's fine. I can still use the layers to make one more covers. That's fine to me, because I just want to make sure my customers will love all the details I made for them. I made for you. Okay, so this is the A5 regular in with the Polygon pocket and envelope pocket. Okay, so I will start to make it now. Okay, see you guys later. Hi guys, I'm back, and you can see the beautiful remark layer is here, and this is the A5 regular size with the Polygon pocket inside in the back, and the envelope pocket in the front. Yes, because I just tell you guys, she have make a note in the email, and I didn't didn't read the email, so I cut a lot later. Just want to make it beautiful. But after I see the video, I see the email, I just know, oh my gosh, you want the gray and the rimmer to mix up to be the pocket. So I recut the pocket again. Yes, so it is here now. You can see the gray and the blue leather together, and the stitching in the gray too. So we can see in the front just like this, the gray stitching and the gray elastic too, very beautiful. Yeah. So and in this PolygonPocket, because I want it to be a very perfect scale, so now I just make it in the real perfect scale in the pocket. So I'm so happy to make this, and also I'm sure the customer will love it too. But here is a very simple problems here. Yes, because there are so many orders. They come to my shop, and you know my signature's product is the button closure, but some customers they won't get the button closure, or they didn't tell me the elastic closure they want or not. So just like this order, I had to send the email to her, and wish she can read the email as soon as possible, or the working will start to be here, because you can see there is no closure in this notebook. But if you guys, because in my shop I always want to make the notebook cover to be very useful, to be when you're writing or when you're painting. It will be a very convenient and comfortable platform here. So I always want to try make everything is to be flat. So just like my elastic, I usually use the center elastic to be like this, as a small metal to hold in the elastic. Yes, so they are very flat. So if we want to slide the cover into the elastic, that will be very easy, and there is no knot to be there, and that won't bother you when you're writing, or when you want to slide the notebooks in and take out. So that is my idea. I just want to make you guys feel more convenient and more comfortable on my products. So just like my before, like this is the traditional way to make the travel notebook closure and elastic spine. So you can see here has two knots here, one in the middle and one we can put it in down here, but also has two knots here. So tell the truth, I really don't like the knot in the notebook. So I just make this to instead the knot. Okay, so show you guys to close again. You can see two nuts on the cover, and the two metals instead the nut. And I can tell you guys, it's more and more comfortable to writing and more convenient to slide the notebooks in. Yes, but the other way, the front side will become like this. It has the two holes on the spine, and close just like this, and you will have one up and one down. But tell the truth, that doesn't matter. Yes, that doesn't matter. But if you guys want, if you guys in the future to make order, if you didn't tell me the closure way you want, like you don't purchase you don't want the button, or you just want the elastic closure, and I will just offering you guys like this. Okay, in my shop I want to I want to make all the things, all elastic just like this, okay? But if you insist to have this traditional way to be a closure, okay, you can just deliver not to me, okay? If you insist it to have to like this, and you have to deliver not to me, or I will always give you guys like this. And tell you guys the truth, this way will cost me more than this way, but that's fine to me, because I just want to make a notebook that is really functional and really convenient to you guys. So I didn't charge this in my shop. Yes, it's all the free options in my shop. But if in the future, if you want the elastic closure, I will only do this way, okay? But if you insist you want the traditional closure like this, okay, that's fine, I will make it to you too. But please deliver not to me, or I will never know what kind of the closure you want, okay? So come back to the remark list, and yes, the same problem. She didn't tell me the closure way she want, so I have already sent her a email, and still need to wait for her response to me, and I will keep to finish it. Okay, so this is the Polygon Pocket, yes, and this is the envelope, and just these two color combination is just as beautiful, I can tell you guys. And the next time, and I already cut the elephant gray in my shop, and I will make elephant gray to combination with this remark later again, and to make it in the grab and go A5 size. And if I have enough time, I will make it as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the remark today is here, and okay, here is I just make it today, and I want to put in my Etsy shop too. Yes, because I always wish I have more time to make more covers to put in my Etsy shop's options, or there is all the time will take too long. So I just make it, and it will put into the super quick shipping. Okay, you can see it's a tribal and the button closure, yes, and in the front, and logos here, the right logos here, yeah, can you see clear? And in the here you can put your iPad or your notebooks, that's fine. And here is two big wing pocket with two eyelets, okay, and here is the closures here, yes. So when it's closed, just like this, yes, very beautiful. And this leather is the new leather, so it is very soft, and not so soft, but it's very thick leather. So you can see also they are very thick, yes, very thick. So this will put in my Etsy shop soon. Okay, if you guys love it, please go get it in my Etsy shop too. Okay, wish you guys will love the video today, and I will come back soon next time. Bye bye.